Good day, dear friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to type Igbo language. So let's say that you don't have Igbo keyboard. Perhaps I haven't seen it before, or maybe you haven't downloaded any Igbo keyboard, and then you want to kind of code your system or code your keyboard to help you in typing Igbo language. Because if you go to any cyber office to type your Igbo, you can see that they do charge you more than they charge for English. This is because getting to condition yourself, or let me say master the keys or the coding that you did for your Igbo language or for your Igbo alphabet is very, very difficult. So, but at the same time, so long as you are the one who did it, it can always be easy for you to remember. So let's head on. Go to insert. Let's go to insert. Under symbols, more symbols. Now, though this is quite tiny for me to see, but I want to type something like Ihe Ogugu. Someone who knows what is Ihe Ogugu in Igbo should know the correct spelling of Ihe Ogugu. So let's say, before now, let me just cancel Ihe Ogugu. Okay, sorry. Ihe Ogugu, right? Ogugu should start with O. Ihe Ogugu. Now you can see that this is not correct. So there should be dots under this O, under this U, and under this U. So enter. Let's now type the correct Ihe Ogugu. So now you ask yourself, are you going to continuously be coming here to type, or let me say choose any of these fonts that you need? So let's just go ahead and search for, because let's get to know this, that the owner of a MOS word, or maybe say the programmer of a MOS word, organized possibly the word's language, so you can find any alphabet, any word's alphabets under this symbol, including the Igbo alphabet. So let's find O. Let's find O. Though this is very tiny for me, my site. Let's find O. So we have to calm down and search for this. Okay, I think I've seen it. This is O. Once I double click on this, it appears. This is the kind of O for Ogugu. So, and we need U for Ogugu too. So we need U for Ogugu, and it should be this, the small U. Double click. This is the correct U for Ogugu. Now the case here is, here you can see we have small U, and here is big U. Okay, not this, sorry. This is small U and this is big U. This is the capital U, and here is small O. Okay, we have this I, small I, and here we have big I. So how do you type your Igbo language? How do you master this Igbo, other than coming here often and on to double click this while you have a whole lot of documents to type? So what do? We go to assign shortcut keys. Okay, I want to assign this O, capital O, a shortcut key. Okay, I want to assign this capital O. I would use, let's say, I'm using Alt Control Shift O. Whenever I click on this, it will automatically. Okay, let's select before we move on. So this is it. So Alt Control Shift O is for capital O in Igbo. So I want to assign another one. Let me assign capital I. This capital I, shortcut key. Okay, now let me use Control Shift I. Is for capital I. Assign, close. So you can see that whenever I click on Control Shift I have this. Okay, I want to assign another one, small o. So select the symbol you want to assign, shortcut key. So since I've used alternate, Control Shift O, small o, let me use something like alternate Shift O. Assign, alternate Shift O, close. Alternate Shift O. So this is it, alternate Shift O. So I can continually master my programming in order not to forget it when typing my Igbo language. So you can see that it is easy for you to do, so long as you calm down, write down this Igbo language, the Igbo alphabets, and then assign them shortcut keys. But while doing this, do well not to conflict it with original shortcut keys that are embedded in MOS Word. Something like Control O. We know that Control O is to open another document. So you shouldn't kind of assign Control O to any Igbo alphabet. Something Control C. And we should know that in MOS Word, from Control A to Control Z are already assigned. So we should just bear that in mind while doing these assignments. So, and then go forward to use Control Shift or Control alternate, So this is it, dear friends, on how to type Igbo language. And if you like my video, if you do enjoy it, do well to subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you, and see you next time.